Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a Greek meat pie, also known as kimadopita. In a bowl filled with 4 cups of flour, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 4 tablespoons of oil, and 1.5 cups of warm water. Now mix with a dough hook attachment or by hand until a ball forms. Place dough in a well-oiled bowl and cover. Keep it in a warm place for about 1 hour. In the meantime, start the filling. In a pan over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a chopped onion, chopped celery, and a chopped carrot. Now sauté. Now add ground beef or pork. Now brown the meat and add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and tomato paste to add body. Add salt and pepper. Chili flakes are optional but delicious. About 1 cup of good red wine, fresh chopped oregano, okay, maybe a little more wine, a cinnamon stick, and cover and simmer for about 15 minutes. Now uncover the pot and add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity. Stir well and take it off the heat. Let it cool completely before adding to beaten eggs. This will be the binder. Now set it aside. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now for our super soft dough. A good dough will spring back nicely when poked. Cut the dough into 2 parts and flour your work surface. Roll out to the size of your shallow baking pan. Ours is a 12-inch diameter. Place on the bottom of a well-oiled pan. Now add the filling in and sprinkle with kefalotiri or parmesan, or any sharp cheese. Now for the top of the pie, add some phyllo dough, we place it over the top and bring the bottom phyllo dough over the top sheet and crimp to seal. Brush with olive oil. And poke a hole in the center to prevent ballooning. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes or until golden brown. And there you have it, a rustic Greek meat pie. Thank you for joining us again today. We hope you give our Greek classic a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment any suggestions or future video ideas. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.